Hi everyone, today I will show you how different curling iron sizes change your curls and one common mistake that stop curls from the lasting. The 0.5 inch create tight curls, 1 inch give classic everyday curls, 1.525 create a soft curls, 1.5 give loose bouncy curls, and the 2 inch create soft waves and blowout look. Now let's look at the common mistakes. Flat iron with curling iron. First, with a flat iron, I am taking a section that's too wide because the section is too thick. The heat can't reach all the hair, so the curls doesn't form well. Here is the correct way. I take about a 1 inch section and curls away from the face. Smaller section heat evenly and create a smoother and longer lasting curls. The same rules apply with the curling iron. On this side, I am wrapping a section that's too thick and so the curl is loose and uneven. On the other side, I use about a 1 inch section and the curls comes out much more defined. The secret is simple. Choose the right barrel size for the look you want and don't take a section that are too thick. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and let me know which curling iron size is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone. See you next time.